Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening access to your voicemail so you can act immediately. First, make sure your phone has signal, is charged, and voicemail is active, otherwise call your carrier. Next, press and hold one or dial your voicemail number, enter the PIN when prompted. Once connected, listen for the greeting and message index. These tell you how many messages and dates. Speak the actions you'll take aloud if needed. This focus prevents skipping important details while you proceed. Now move into controlling the message so you capture what matters. Use the keypad shortcuts to pause or replay sections you missed, and rewind to review names or numbers. This is why learning those keys saves time. If your system offers voicemail to text or forwarding, send copies to your email for easier reading. Once done, categorize messages mentally or with thumbs-up save so you can act. Make sure to note timestamps and caller identity before deleting any message. That prevents losing context. Finish by organizing and securing what you heard so actions follow smoothly. Save messages you need, delete junk, and move critical voicemails to an email or cloud folder for reference. This preserves evidence and frees storage. Next, update your greeting or PIN if necessary to protect access. If you can't play a message, restart the phone, check voicemail service status with your carrier, and retry. If problems persist, contact support and give them exact error messages or times. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.